Hey everybody, Dave Forehand with the Dallas Arboretum. I'm in the incredible edible garden here, Rory Myers Children's Adventure Garden. And usually when I'm talking about a plant, I'm usually standing next to it or I'm pointing up to it, but this one we're gonna have to come in really close. I've got this really cool little ground cover that I just think is a wonderful plant. It's called Mother of Thyme. It's Thyme serpyllum. And this particular variety is called Thomas Reeder. But it's a tiny, if you really, I don't know if you can see it with the camera, but the leaves are so tiny. It just looks like a green, mossy carpet. But it's got all the same characteristics of thyme. It has the same odor. Great for as a little ground cover. If you have flagstones, you could plant this between it, kind of as a nice ground cover. It looks good in a little rock garden as well. In fact, my neighbor just planted one of these in their little rock and garden and pond next door to me. So I'm gonna enjoy looking at that. But fun plant, interesting, and these are edible. They're just tiny. But it's called Mother of Thyme, and this is actually a real dwarf creeper. There are a lot of other varieties. Some people like to create a thyme garden where they mix lots of different varieties. It can look really interesting as well. So try some thyme at home. I think you're gonna like it. I'm Dave Forehand. I'll see you real soon.